Hey guys, Sherry Fox here with What the Fox. The holidays are around the corner and I just couldn't resist but to make a pecan pie, or pecan pie, however you want to say it. And guys, this recipe is so delicious, it has been passed down for generations. Not only is it delicious, but it is so easy to make. Even if you're not a good cook, you make this, people are going to think that you are. Because the best part is, we are not going to make our own crust. I know. Some people may disagree with me on that. And if you do, feel free to make your own crust. But if you don't know how to make your own crust, or you're on a time crunch and you want a pecan pie that just seems like you've been working on it all day, this is the pecan pie for you. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is pick yourself up a couple of really cheap pie crusts. We want them thin, and don't get the deep dish, just get the regular. Allow them to become room temperature. And you can poke them with a fork on the bottom and around the sides just to keep it from bubbling. And the package may say to pre-cook these, but there is really no need to. Now let's heat a stick of butter just enough to melt it. You want to be careful and not burn it, but then let's just set it to the side. Get yourself a good sized bowl and we're going to beat up 4 eggs. Let's add a cup of sugar and a cup of Karo syrup, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1.5 to 2 cups of chopped pecans. Let's give it a good stir. And very important here, guys, you want to add the melted butter last. And if you want to kick it up a notch, you can add a shot of bourbon. It's really just a personal preference. Now let's just mix all of this together really well. And guess what? This is the best part. This doesn't just make one pecan pie, it actually makes 2. So just split your mixture between the 2 pie crusts. And you may want to place them on a foil-lined pan, just in case. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and we're going to cook this for about 30 to 45 minutes. These may be a little jiggly at first in the middle. That's okay. We just want to set them to the side and allow them to cool completely before cutting them, and they will set up. And if you would like, top it with some vanilla ice cream, caramel, sprinkle a few more pecans, and it's just that easy, guys. Now get ready to take a screenshot because I'm going to pop the recipe up for you. If you like what we're doing here, guys, smash that like button for me. And can I encourage you to subscribe? I would greatly appreciate it. But when you do, don't forget to click that little bell. That way when I upload new videos, you'll be the first to know. This is Sherry saying you guys can do this easily. Thanks again, guys, for tuning in to What the Fox. Until next time, take care.